Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to find a house in Kampala and the prices of houses. I think when I have a broker, I'll be able to reach very many places and be able to find out whether I can get for you the actual prices of those houses. I'm not going to get to those houses that are so expensive, classy houses for people that maybe can live a high class life. I'm going to be in the low class, middle class income, I think. Maybe low class, I don't know. You'll judge by yourself. But these are simple houses around Kampala. So let me try to my broker and find out whether we can find houses here. Now I've just talked to my broker, and guys, let's go. So this is how a community that I want to find a house looks like. This is a school. It's maybe a nursery school, but I don't think behind here we can find a rental. These are residential houses for people. How are you? You're fine? Okay. So these are residential houses, but to find a good house, maybe I think you need a broker. If you don't have a broker, it will be somehow difficult for you, because you can't you can't actually say that the house you want to find is in this location. If you really want to find a good house, you need to talk to a broker, just like I did. You may ask yourself, how can I find a broker? One of the methods may be you go online, and online you can find the broker online. So if you cannot go online, maybe as you walk around the community, you would like to find that house, you can find posters of those brokers. They put posters on walls. They also put signposts around. This community is located about, good houses here, guys, it's located about 15 to 20 kilometers from the capital city of Uganda, Kampala. So if you want to stay just 15 kilometers, just 15 kilometers to 20 kilometers away from the capital city, you can come to such a place. It has a good, conducive environment. The air around here is very fresh, and they're planting food. People have gardens. People have built good houses here. This community is about 40 minutes from the capital city of Uganda. 40 minutes. In 40 minutes you'll be able to locate this place. It is called Chengera. Just 40 minutes from the capital city of Uganda. Look, these are also for rent, and these are managed by a property agency called Malaika Property Agencies Limited. Maybe I can show you their phone number. I don't know. You can talk to them. And maybe they manage many properties in some other places. You can talk to them, and they can get for your house. This looks like a trading center. So I'm out from the other part that looked like the village part. I'm now like in the trading center. So I'm about to reach the location my broker told me to find me. I'm going to locate my broker. At the point he told me, it's about a few meters from here. We have very many local shops. They sell local drinks, soda, water, and other beverages, and sugar, salt, food. So guys, that is one of the signposts. So if you find a signpost like that one, you can be able to get the phone number and go and find yourself a house. So I'm waiting for my broker. He's just besides the other side where you see the mobile money signpost. He's getting the key to one of the rooms we are going to look at. So asatu so guys, he's going to show me that one for 300,000 Uganda shillings. It's the one we are starting with. It's brand new, guys, and let's go and check the amenities inside that house and see how it really looks like. He's saying it's very brand new. Let's go there and see. So if you are to get a house in this community, there are very many local shops. You can be able to access them. Very many local shops down here. So we are about to reach that house of he's saying it is for 300,000 Uganda shillings, and he's taking me to show me this house. 300,000 Uganda shillings, you'll be able to get such a house. A very good house. I don't know whether it's good. Let me reach there and show you inside. You'll be able to tell by yourself whether it's a good house or not. But there are very many local shops around. So that's why I told you guys you need a broker, because I couldn't have reached at this place by myself. But because I have a broker, I've been able to access this place just because of a broker. But if you don't have a broker, you cannot locate a house like this one. Because you'll not expect a house to be hidden this side. So we are trying to locate our first house. It's in a fence and we are trying to access it. Banawulira. Naye simanyi oba kinakwisa bubi ndikwata video yange ndaga abagoberezi bange engeri y'okufunamu amayumba, naye nange njagala nnyumba era no bulijjo andi kunnoonyeza nnyumba, naye simanyi oba kinakwisa bubi nga nkutteka video. Tojja kikkiriza
ekyo kiyinza okutankolera bulungi. Ziriwo ssatu eriyo gyebanaabagaddeko gye banaatwala.
So guys, at the other location I failed to film because the owner refused to film his property, but I've got another location. ya mmekende 15. Kati kasita oteekamu wali entebe oba oteekawo entebe emu n'ekitanda ndaba space ntono. This one has a bathroom. This is the bathroom. And this is ako kafunda obaye kameka sikeke 12. Guys, that one is for 150. So no tiles down on the floor and the space is somehow limited, so I don't know. Let's continue moving around. Let's continue moving around until we find more houses. But the other first location we went to, we were not allowed to film because of some reasons. He said he doesn't want his property to get into bad hands of bad people, so we'll just leave that place. Let's keep moving, guys. Guys, I've managed to find only about 3 houses, but among those 3 I tried to find I managed to film only in one place or 2. The first place, you saw what happened, guys. I wasn't allowed to do any recording, but if you really want to find a house, I've shown you that you have to get a broker. Once you locate a broker, you'll be able to get the house you want very, very easily, because he knows each and every corner where you can locate where you can locate your property. So I managed to show you only that, but if you really want to find a house in Kampala, you have to do a lot of research, both online and on ground. And I think online it is easier nowadays because we have very many websites like GG Uganda. We have on GG Uganda you can get brokers. You can even find people who listed the property by themselves, and you can easily find out the prices of those houses. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video until the end. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and wait for part 3, because this has been part 2. I already made part 1 like some 3 years back, and people have been asking for part 2, and this is part 2 of the video: how to find a house in Kampala and the price of the houses in Kampala. In part 3 I will elaborate more about houses that begin from around 300,000 Uganda shillings up to maybe 5 million Uganda shillings. Shall be able to see how to find those houses, what's the cost of those houses, and how do they look like inside, what amenities do they have inside. So you have seen these houses, one for 120,000 Uganda shillings has nothing inside. I showed you one for 150. It had a simple bathroom inside with a store outside. Then I showed you those for 300,000 Uganda shillings. though we were not able to access them very well, but I think we shall meet in part 3. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.